UXPressia is an online platform that helps organizations centralize and manage experience insights, customer journey maps, personas, and service blueprints. Everything begins on the dashboard. From here, you can create, share, and handle all customer journeys, personas, and service blueprints from a single place that's available for your entire organization. Consider it as the main source of truth for all stakeholders, with clear statuses and ownership for each document. You can organize all the maps and personas in your workspace using tags, and each team member can set up their dashboard to focus on their current tasks. This is especially important for large teams, where quickly orienting in dozens of documents becomes a challenge. You can invite your team to your workspace so they can access all your documents, either to edit or just view them. Design View provides a holistic view of all journeys to help you identify relations between different initiatives. You can zoom in from high level to narrow scoped journey maps and connect customers' journeys, problems, and solutions. The Reports section gives you a high-level view of everything happening in your workspace. You can uncover AI-powered insights across all maps and personas, explore centralized lists of problems, ideas, tasks, observations, and hypotheses, and review all touchpoints in one place. It's a powerful way to track progress, spot recurring themes, and identify areas that need your attention. When creating a customer journey map, you can start with an empty document, select a preset template, or generate your first map draft with AI. In UXPressia, journey maps are made of parts called sections or swim lanes and stages, which are steps of your journey. You can add as many of these as you need in any number or order. The main swim lanes include text-based sections for capturing customer goals, expectations, and pain points, as well as the image sections for storyboards. Also, there is a process and channel section for visualizing omnichannel interactions. Then there is the experience swim lane for customer emotions, a section for visualizing complex interactions like backstage processes, and section for metrics and charts for quantitative data, among others. You can attach documents, videos, and live data from other apps, and even integrate analytical or project management tools such as Google Analytics, Mixpanel, Jira, Azure DevOps, Qualtrics, and others. You can explore all these sections by clicking the Add Section button. After you create your journeys, you'll want to share or present them to your team. UXPressia has got you covered. You can present your work right inside the platform. Export your maps as a scalable PDF that can be printed in any size, or you can save them as PNG, CSV, PDF, and PowerPoint files. You can share your online documents with your team by email or through a direct link. If you use the direct link, people don't need to log in, so you can share maps and personas with others who don't use the tool, allowing them to view or comment and to make changes. You can also protect the link with a password. Inside, you can collaborate with your team in real time and see the changes they're making right away, which is perfect for remote workshops or brainstorming sessions. Your team can also leave comments to give feedback, assign tasks, vote on ideas, and more. You can also create filters, which we call custom views, to highlight the specific parts of the map when you present it. This helps to ensure that you show the important information that specific stakeholders and audiences care about. You can access these views anytime, and they can be printed and shared while the original map stays the same. With UXPressia, you can look at the same journey from different perspectives, focusing on specific touchpoints or audiences. Compare similar journeys on the same map, switch between different personas' perspectives to narrow down your focus, and get back to the bigger picture easily. You can also connect maps with each other to drill down into specific interactions. Once your map is finished, turn ideas and opportunities into defined tasks for your team. Prioritize your customer experience efforts or customer experience solutions, balancing effort with value. Clearly define task ownership and status to accurately track the improvement's progress. To make your mapping process faster and keep documents consistent across different departments, UXPressia provides Team Library and Taxonomy. This is a shared repository where you can find reusable components and files that everyone in the workspace can access. You can do more than just journey maps with UXPressia. You can also create detailed customer and employee persona profiles with our persona editor. There are over 20 customizable sections you can use, including things like demographics, backgrounds, skills, preferred contact methods, and you can even add data. You can compare personas on the same screen, and just like journey maps, personas can be exported, presented, or shared with your team. With AI-powered persona generator, you can easily transform your research data into detailed profiles. You can also enhance your existing personas by making them more inclusive or tailoring them to specific regions, translate them, and enrich them with more details and ideas. Furthermore, you can chat with the personas to gain additional insights, test messaging, or validate ideas. Last but not least, we have impact maps. This tool helps you plan and prioritize by connecting business goals to user stories for a backlog within a clear framework. It's a great way to get all stakeholders on the same page and prioritize the best ideas from your customer journey mapping workshop. Another superpower of UXPressia is its templates. With several hundred ready-to-use examples across different industries, you will never face the fear of a blank page again. When you're ready to tailor things further, you can create your own team templates to make future work faster and more consistent. We update our platform often, so there is a lot to discover right now. Sign up for a free account today and start creating great experiences with UXPressia. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team using the live chat behind this friendly button. Have fun mapping, and I'll see you at UXPressia.